Hi, hello again. Like I said before in the previous part, we have a problem. Okay, um, is a very small problem. Let's Let me just run again and show you the thing. So we have these, right? And we want to export the document. And if we delete these two, delete, and if I generate the document, we have these, and the apple appears, and also the bananas. It shouldn't do this. It shouldn't do this. And why this works in this way? Also, if I close the window and I open again, I generate again, and after generating the document, it updates the thing. So what is happening here? Well, actually, it's very simple. Uh, for us to understand these, we must uh, we must change the code in the docx options.py and also in the program.py, and everything starts here in the program.py. Okay, so here at the action export something. So action add product, export PDF, export docx. Here, what we are providing here to the products is the result of calling this function. In this case is a function. Okay, so it is executing the code on the fly. Okay, when the window opens, okay, so it will get the products when the window opens, but if we change something in the products, it will not get the products again, because it already has the products. So what we need to change is these. Okay, instead of providing the products, we provide the function, because we are not calling the function, we are providing the function that is able to get the products, okay, when it is needed. Okay, so this is the little change that we need to do at program.py. Then at the docx options, this product is not a list, a product is not a list, is a callback. Okay, I will not change the name, but you know it is a callback. Okay, is a function. And here, instead of provide, in this case is not a product, is a function, is a callback, so we need to call the function. Okay, adding these, we are calling the function on the fly every time we try to generate the elements, the products. Okay, we try to generate the docx. Okay, so um, let's test and see the result. Oh, okay, let's run. Let's wait. It's taking a little bit. Okay, we have these. First, let's generate without changing anything, and we can see that we have here the apple. Okay, and then, and by the way, let me delete these, and then without closing this window, let me delete these products, and let's generate the document again. I didn't close the window, and now we have here the orange. It updates. Okay, is just this is a very small detail. Okay, okay, so this is it for this bonus. Okay, this is the last part. um, the next bonus will be, I didn't do it yet, but my idea is to use a real database. I will use SQLite, okay, um, and we will see how to do that, okay. See you in the next bonus.